Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. Yeah man, we're there back in the music club people and see from what we are dealing with today. Yeah man guys, I got a banger. Yeah man, we have a banger from an artist that's no stranger to the channel as usual. Yeah man, a real dope Trini artist that I know a lot of you love and enjoy, you know what I'm saying. We've done songs from them before, but now we're checking out another one from them. But before we even try to get into the video guys, I just want to take this time to to check in on you, ask how you doing today, man. You've been taking care of yourself. Y'all been drinking your water. Have you guys been staying prayed up, man? Huh? You gotta take care of yourself, man. You only have one life to live, you know what I'm saying? And you definitely only got one life to live, and you definitely don't want to waste it, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you're making every day count. Every day you're taking steps towards your goals, and you're staying on your purpose. You don't know what time it is, man. And make sure you stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you stay prayed up. You can't do nothing without God, man. Especially in them times, yeah, man. You have to stay prayed up and keep the blessings coming. Yeah, man, guys. Let's see what we are doing today. Today we got Plumpy Bass Bama. Yeah, man. And this one was actually requested by one of our Dan Mafia family members. This was actually requested by Jelani Campbell. You know what I'm saying? Jelani Campbell, big up yourself. I'm definitely gonna give you a shout out, put your tag up here and everything, and you're gonna see your comments. Yeah man, Jelani Campbell, big up yourself. We're reacting to Plumpy Bass Bama. Plumpy Bass, no stranger to the channel, one of the dopest Trini artists out, dancehall artists out, you know what I'm saying, and we're reacting to it and see what's going on today. I don't know. Yeah man guys, Plumpy Bass making noise, you don't so along, man, Prince Swanee them man. You know what I'm saying? Some of the biggest dancehall Trini artists out right now, you know what I'm saying? So we're checking out as well. Jelani actually requested this many times, you see me? So, yeah, man, we're glad to get this one done. Shout out to you, Jelani. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, guys. And, yeah, man, we're not going to hold up the vibes much longer. You don't know. We know a Plumpy Bass, you know, saying bad and everything, so we're not going to hold up the vibes much longer. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I jump right in the track. But before we do, just in case you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on post notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, join the family, be your vibes over here, so and be your energy, you know what I miss out, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, if you're lame, we don't want you over here, so anyway, but I jump right in there, this is Plumpy Bass Bama, let's get it. I said no matter what, don't cry tears right now. No matter what, don't cry still right now. That's crazy, man. Yeah, man. Hold on there.
Yeah, never surprised to see when boy change up. Tough chat and gun talk couldn't face us. I'm no we keep the thing from day one. Mad full of guns, full of shots.
Never surprised when boy change up. Tough talk and gun chat never fears us. To no man, never surprised. Hey, come in, yeah, man.
Nation. Any boy wow just create one. 7 man march out a cremation. I know hospital when now.
If you want war, just create one. 7 man march out like cremation. Damn boy, dashish dust to dust.
Have patience. You coulda link with Moses or Satan. Boy dead. Yeah. Pop off war start gunshot brighter than torchlight. Say them bad body.
You coulda power with Moses and Satan. Boy dead.
All them fast right, put a night time, every rain and sunshine. Nigga dead dog, boy I fear run away. Now stop chill them till them lay down in a grave. Mad ass to the K, 1 pint and wave. Shoot up a big and make way empty the machine in your face. You a baby to the.
Oh shut man, empty it in your face man. I want to you man. Turn your face in a mashed potato.
Dog, you shoulda never war we. Stop the line and songs down. Bout man grudge you for money. Go sell wheels, bang diamonds, and start help out the family. Cause if man did hate it.
Man say stop tell lie. But man hate you for diamonds. But man hate you for money. Stop wasting on diamonds and help out your family. How you dog attack? A Prince or the dog attack? Tell me who dog attack in the comment section, people. We know who dog a drop out for. Yeah, man.
Yeah, but the fuck it, I reach you want be. You one fly.
So Plumpy, tell us the reason for the conflict in Trinidad.
Ari and blood clan narrow. Clean. Yes, you know. And big interviewer. Yeah, yo, they fix large, you know. The fix large man. This is one of the platform. If you're an artist, you want the pan.
The whole of them bad mind. So we bomb in a them head like landmine. 7.6 to lick up boy eyesight. Don't chat straight head shot from the carbine. Feed them way.
I'm buying 6-2. Lick up boy head side. I'm tuna man. Don't play with it.
Yes man, we run down fame. There's a lot in your brain as you call my name. Before you think fi make a step, I'm gonna step in your face to get a rate and a brand new box
Yes,
fi
man.
showcase. And
Oh yes man, we are run down fame. We now get a shot in our brain. I'm tuna.
big killers and a rookie man. Boy must be sick in them head for this the president. Pull up 9 foot to take the bigger in your head. And we not stop chill till we know you're really dead. And any boy feel like the one.
Any boy this he president pull up by your foot 30 clip in your head. And we not stop till we know say you're dead. Damn. Damn boy, man, I do this savage.
Get strength, head bust in a road pan pavement. Case shot left boy that they like fragrance. Kill a little friend so them can't make statements.
Oh, head bust in a road pan pavement, boy. Me kill a friend them so they can't go make statements. Cause enough of them and about them, for them are snitch, you know. Love run got police, you know.
Never surprised to see when boy change up. Tough chat and gun talk couldn't face us. No, we keep the thing from day one. Mad full of guns, full of shots, selling nation. Any boy wow, just create one.
Yeah, man.
7 man march out a cremation.
Yeah,
And
man.
the hospital we not have patience. You coulda link with Moses or Satan.
Boy, dead! I like that part where I can link with Moses and Satan, boy, dead!
Pop off war start gunshot brighter than touchlight. Say them bad but the whole of them false right. Coulda night time every rain or sunshine. Nigga dead dog, boy I feel run away. Now stop drill them till them lay down in a grave. Mad ass to the K1 pint.
Miguel dear boy have to run away, man. Nah, still stop drill them till they lay down in a cave, man. I'm there. Rubu, rubu. I'm told them.
Time wait, shoot up a big head, make way empty the machine in your face.
Easy
No
now.
way.
Easy now when I answer them. Outside. Bad people. I'm telling you, no mad people. Hey. Yeah, man, people. Me read that one. The only thing about the one day. Yeah, man, that was Plumpy Boss Bama. Jilani, big up yourself, man. Me like that one day. You see me? Definitely sending some more requests. Jilani, big up yourself. Let me know if you react to next. Drop your comments. Yeah, man, people. Let me know what your favorite part was. Your favorite part? You know what I'm saying? Was it the, you know, the lyrics, the beat? You know what I'm saying? The melody, the video. What was your favorite part, man? Let me know, man. Me like the one, the Plumpy Boss. You see me? I definitely know who Plumpy Boss are talking about. Because Plumpy Boss are saying, you know, some man are going like say we grudge him for money. You know what I mean? Stop talk for free. You see me? I say, you see me? Because we have to need to do a stop, spend money on diamonds and go help out the family. Who that got that? Let me know in the comment section, man. You see me? Me know what I go on the grung people. Yeah, man. Me like the one Plumpy Boss always doing him thing. Have some bad tune out there. We have definitely more from Plumpy Boss to come, so stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, people, and definitely know what your favorite part. Drop in the comment section. If you like, you go show the artist some love and support. Make you know, sir, Jambisco dance. Send you. Yeah, man, guys. Yeah, man, dope track. And also, let me know what to react to next, guys, and I'll definitely get it done. You know, we do over here. And drop your comments, your flags, all that. You're going to see it on the screen. I'm going to give you a shout out, and you'll be able to see what's going on. Yeah, man, people. Definitely love the vibes. Jambisco Dan Squad, Dan Mafia, I'm like how we are grow. I appreciate the love and support. We're going strong over here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I like how you have been participating, dropping the comments, liking up and sharing. We're going strong over there and we're going to continue to grow. Yeah, man, so until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.